Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to safely jack up your Dodge Dart. Before you begin, ensure your car is on a flat, stable surface. Always engage the parking brake and place wheel chocks on the wheels that will remain on the ground. Safety is paramount, so never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. Always use sturdy jack stands. For the front of your Dodge Dart, you have two main options. You can use a floor jack under the pinch weld, which is the reinforced seam along the rocker panel, just behind the front wheel. Alternatively, a central jacking point is often found on the front subframe crossmember. Always ensure your jack pad is properly seated to prevent damage. When lifting the rear of your Dodge Dart, similar points apply. The pinch weld, located just in front of the rear wheel, is a suitable spot. For a more central lift, look for a sturdy part of the rear subframe or the solid axle beam if your model has one. Always double-check that your jack is positioned securely before applying any upward pressure. Once your jack is correctly positioned, slowly pump the handle to raise the vehicle to your desired height. As soon as there is enough clearance, slide your jack stands under the designated support points. Carefully lower the vehicle until it rests firmly on the jack stands. Give the car a gentle shake to confirm it is completely stable before you begin any work.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.